Hello everyone. Today I'm just gonna walk around and fly around the place where I've been working on. I've been doing a little bit of trimming of the trees and playing around with the different settings of my cameras, trying to see the best angle and the best view, as well as open up different areas to fly in. So you can see right over here, I kind of cut this little tree down because it's dead. It's a little bit of a stump. I'm going to go back in there and clean it as well as cleaning the one next to it. What we just passed, I've been starting to clean the lower part of those. It takes a little bit because not only do you have to cut it, but then you have to move all the shrubs and the branches to the burn pile and then burn them.